Hello, uh, my name is Yasmamanda. For my software architecture assignment, I have developed a solution focused on data flow architecture. Uh, so, uh, the scenario we are addressing is that modern IoT systems generate massive amounts of normal data that can easily overwhelm storage and bandwidth. So my solution is an automated pipeline using Apache NiFi that only persists critical heat alerts to a central database while enriching the data with location metadata for better decision making. So in here I am using Apache NiFi to orchestrate this flow. So we begin at the edge with invoke HTTP processor, which calls the open with the API, and this is the link of that API. Uh, so this acts as our real-time IoT sensor data source. So once we receive the raw JSON, the evaluate JSON path processor, and this is it, perform the first transformation. It extract the temperature and the city name, and here you can see the property city and the sensor temp, and this properties it extract city name and the uh, temperature value of that city, and saving them as flow file attributes. This allows us to process specific data points rather than the entire raw payload. So next is our logic gate, the route on attribute processor, and this is it. And here you can see the property critical heat, and here temperature GT is 10, and I can change it to 20. Mm. And it evaluates the temperature if the reading exceeds Celsius 20. It is routed as a critical heat event, and anything lower is ignored, demonstrating effective data filtering and processing. And to finalize the flow, we use attribute to JSON to bundle our enriched data, the temperature and the city. In here you can see the properties. Into clean JSON format. So finally, uh, we put the database record processor handle the movement of this data into our MySQL database for long-term storage, and here you can see the name of the table and the database connection, pooling service, and those kind of things. So when we refresh and start our workflow, we can see uh, now we have to wait until this processor invoke the data from that API, the weather API, uh, and then we can go to the workbench, MySQL workbench, and uh, yeah, we can see uh, this is the universe data at 1224, the Colombo, because we changed the temperature to 20, and now the Colombo temperature is 28.35 Celsius, and now it is treated as critical temperature. And from this processor, the data is fetched at between every 1 minute. So we can refresh. Yeah, now it is also fetched the temperature of Colombo, and it is also the same. And yeah, the now the data flow is active, and MySQL database connection also working, and the temperatures are also fetched correctly, and the criteria is checked. Uh, uh, the criteria is checked correctly, and so this concludes my demonstration of a robust, scalable data flow architecture. Thank you.